Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a brand new, fresh out of the crate, 2022 Yamaha TT-R10E. This dirt bike is brand new and will be prepped to go once it's been sold. So let's take our walk around it and we'll show it to you today. As you can see, this comes with both electric start and a Kickstarter. We also have the safety tether here on a spot for it here on the exhaust. Choke. And kill switch. This 2022 Yamaha TT-R10E is brand new and will be prepped to go once it has been sold. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.